Okay, everybody, we are done with the conservation of the freedom tree. Now, this book was without question the worst, filthiest comic book I have ever cleaned. It was basically dumpster material. It had some sort of solvent stain on the inside of the cover, as you can see from the photos. Now, it's been reassembled. We've used Tengujo paper to clean up some of the corners and then all the tears. The staple holes were derusted and then they were filled with Tengujo paper again. Now, this is the one difference between restoration and conservation, and this is actually conservation. Everything we did to this book is 100% removable. And that is the big difference. We're not adding to the book, we're removing from the book. So we did lose some color, but this book was just just really really bad shape. So now we preserved it, and I've had a couple of people ask me privately if I was going to submit this to CGC for a conserved grade. The answer is no, I'm not. This book is not an expensive book. This was more of a project, an educational material, just to share with you all. I've had some people ask me if I would clean their comics, and my answer is no. I'm here to provide an education and give you instructions on how you can do these things on your own. But I just wanted to share with you the book is now 100% back together. It's smooth. All the solvents are gone. The pages are white. They are subtle. I hate that word. I have trouble with it. But there's no wrinkles. Everything is just wonderful. It's just very smooth. All 52 pages are here. This was a large project, and I just wanted to share the results with you. Thank you. And as always, appreciate all the comments. And if you have any questions, please ask me. And as always, if you like what you see here at Flying O Comics, please like and subscribe and follow us, and feel free to ask any questions. I do my best to answer every one of them. Thank you, and please enjoy.